Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a holiday look. So I'm very excited because I get to do a bold lip, I get to do the winged eye, the lashes, because I know a lot of people like to do the glam look for holiday parties, Christmas Eve shows, and all the good stuff. So I just wanted to do a look that you can go back on and do the look with me. So I hope you enjoy this. It is dark outside because this is nighttime. I am pre-filming right now, so I'm actually just got out of the shower. That's why I have like the cleanest face ever. It looks like I got soap in my eye and this eye, and it really hurt. But anyway, yeah, I had the cleanest face ever right now. I just got out of the shower. My hair's a little wet and weird, but I'm gonna be putting my hair back into like a standard pony. I haven't put any moisturizer on my face yet, so as you guys know, I like the Ultra Facial Moisturizer by Kiehl's. This is definitely my favorite one. Again, like I've told you, I don't have any skin problems. I have really nice skin, knock on wood. Don't have any acne problems. I mean, I have an occasional pimple and like breakout here and there, but I don't really break out too often. Next thing I'm going to do is a little bit of lift. This is what I usually do in the morning, so I'd get an eye lifting balm. This is by Caudalie. I don't know if that's how you say it, so I put the little spit and put that a little bit. Always with your ring finger, never forget. This primer is the Professional Primer by Benefit. I really like it because it's a gel, so I also need a new primer because that's about it. So the next thing I like to do is put the strobe cream on my temples of my cheeks and on the bridge of my nose. I like doing that, so I take the littlest bit and I put it everywhere. I take this brush and I'm just going to dab it in my face. Okay, and see how there's like a little bit of a glow on all the angles of my face. So the next thing we're going to be doing is taking the Liquid Glass Farsali serum. This has like sparkles in it, and my face has been really dry lately. So yeah, that's the serum. You can also mix it in with your foundation if you would like, so it's up to you. There's only two foundations that I literally swear by. This is the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation. This is really good for like a full coverage look. And this is like my everyday foundation. It's the Marc Jacobs Shameless Foundation. Actually, use this NARS one for more of like a glam look, because it literally stays on your face all the day. So I took a damp beauty blender. I just ran it under some water and squeezed the water out, and then I makes it bounce a little bit more into your skin. So that's what I usually use, is a beauty blender. Sometimes I use this Artiste brush because it gets the job done in like 10 seconds. But this is literally what I've been doing with this foundation, and it's helped. So you can see that it's pretty full coverage. I mean, it's more like maybe not as full coverage to some people, but this is as full coverage as I'm gonna get. And I know it looks really light to my face, so I mean, it doesn't match, you can tell, but I am going to bronze up my face a little bit, so don't be alarmed. It's a little lighter, but I'll bronze it up for sure. The next thing I like to do is take the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in light beige. It's a very light color, so I only put 3 dots on there, and then like 2 dots on my nose, or even a dot, but it covers up so much. See that? What I want to take next is this big fluffy brush. I got this in like a big package. So the next thing I'm going to do is take the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. This is a drugstore brand, but I really love the bronzer. And I know this is maybe out of order for some people, but this is just the order I like to go in. So I'm going to take this angled brush And I'm gonna have the Cheekathon palette from Benefit. And then I'm gonna take Dandelion, which is this one right here. I'm gonna take my Beauty Blender again. And kind of make that contour. Also in the Cheekathon palette is the very famous Hoola bronzer. So I'm gonna pick that Hoola bronzer with this NARS Kabuki brush. I'm so tired. Brush I get the Artis angled brush, and it's very, very thin, so I just rub it in to the bronzer that I use, and I just make 2 lines right here and 2 lines right here. And this is like your ultimate contour nose job. So I'm going to take the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. This is, doesn't say the color, but I believe this is like medium or dark brown. So I just line the bottom of my eyebrow naturally, and then I brush it up to the top, and then whatever's not filled in, I fill in at the very top and then brush it on the side. So I'll try to show you. It's really hard. See, I'm just brushing up. I'm gonna come back when the other brow is done because it's gonna take me forever. Oh my gosh. Literally like probably 10 minutes later. The next thing I'm gonna take is the highbrow from Benefit. And then I take like an angled brush. I just make sure that I get, that's like concealing your brows. I really like that highbrow for sure. The next thing I'm going to take is the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. This one works the best for me. So the palette that we're going to be using is Huda Beauty palette, and this is going to be my contour shade for my eyelids. And then the brushes we're going to be using are from Fenty. So this one is from Fenty. It's like a blending brush, and this is like a shadow brush for your eyelid. And then this is for my eyelid as well, for like sparkles and stuff like that. This is more of a blending brush. It's very, very small. And then this is just like a powder brush. So these two are from Fenty, and then these two are from Urban Decay palettes, and then this one is from an Ipsy bag. I'm just gonna put it on my blending brush, and I'm going to put it in the crevice of my eyes. I'm just going to do backward and forward motions on my eyelid. Beautiful. And I'm gonna get the musk grayish brown shade, and I'm going to put it in the deep center of my eye, so like right there. And I'm just going to make it dense in that area. I'm not going to be moving it around as much as my brown shade that I did before, because I really want it to be centered in my eye. And then the next thing, so what I love about Huda Beauty palettes is that they have a bunch of sparkle shades. So there's all of these different ones that you can choose from. For right now, I'm going to stick to Cashmere. I also like Bellini, which is a gold shade. So I'm going to stick to Cashmere because I feel like Cashmere is a very nice, like grayish, rose gold type of shade. And it's easy to find on a bunch of different palettes. I'm going to get MAC Fix Plus Primer, and I'm going to spray my brush, my flat brush, and I'm going to get Cashmere, and I'm going to put it all over that brush. And then put it on my eye. And it's going to be a lot more prominent on my eye. It's going to stand out more. I think I'm going to put a little bit more of like a different color on there. So I think I'm going to try Angelic. Test it out for Christmas Eve. I'm going to put that just in the center of my... Ooh. Center of my lid. It's like a little bit of a pinkish shade. So now that the whole face is done, I like to take the MAC Fix Plus primer, put that on my face, and then I like to do the highlight because then that makes it stand out more. So this is my favorite highlight. This is the one that people comment on my Instagram posts the most about when I have a really strong highlight on my Insta posts. This is the one that I use. It's called a Molten Glow. It was $14 at Sephora. And I'm not sure if they sell it anymore, but like, holy cannoli. Are you kidding? Like, who are you? You can also use this as like a body glow too. So I used this in Vegas when I went to a pool party. And I shined. Also washed off, but I mean, I shined for a long part of the day. So I feel like I put too much on this side. Just gonna take that bronzer. And I like just, yeah, brushing it off. I just love highlighter, so I love glowing everywhere. So sometimes I feel like I brushed off the, what's it called? The blush a little bit, so I'll put a little bit of that on there. And then comes the fun part. And then comes the fun part. So I'm going to take the tattoo liner by Kat Von D. This is just in Trooper Black. I'm going to do a cat eye. So I'm just going to bring it to right here. And then I'm going to connect this part to the top. So I don't know if you can see this, but I'm literally bringing it straight across. You see that? And then I just color it in. I'll do this off camera because it's gonna take me forever to line them up. I'm nervous, but I'm gonna be doing eyelashes. So I'm gonna go off camera and you have to trim them down to your eye size. So make sure you measure them, trim them down, and then you can use them. So I'll be right back. Okay, perfect. So I got them both measured up to my eyes. So then I'm going to take the Duo. I got this a long time ago with a package that came with from a package of eyelashes. So I just dab this on top. And then you wait. You wait and you just blow and have patience. And wait for about like 45 seconds and then you put them on. So these are really dramatic. So dramatic. Oh my god. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just blending in my actual lashes into the lashes so it looks the most natural. That's that. I'm going to get the Desert Dusk palette again and I'm going to line my lower lash line. And wow, so pretty. Here it comes. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I want to look at you in your eyes. Look at my eyelashes. They're super thick, huh? Do you like them? Do you like them?
They're a nickname for Selena.
Do you like them? I know,
but yeah, they're thick. Yeah.
I look like I have brooms. Like I can sweep the floor.
That's what you want though, right?
Yeah. Shout out to John for getting me these lashes.
The wrong one.
That's okay. They worked out. See you in a bit, Bubby. I love you. So, this is NYX Professional Lip Liner. This I got, or John got at Target. So all I'm gonna do is line my lips and fill them in with this red, nice lip liner. So what I like to do is I like to bite my lip like this, and then line it like that, and I just fill it in. You can even have it like this if you wanted to. If you wanted, you can definitely do a little gloss on top. So what I would use is from MAC. This is like the Panda collection, but it's very chromatic. And I'll just put that in the middle of my lip. And hello. Next, what I will do is I will spray my face. I know it's really glam for me because I know you guys don't see me in this much of glam. I really hope you liked this video. I know that the lighting sucks in here, but I mean, you get the basis of the look. It's really cute. If you would like to do this look and follow along with me, definitely can. I had a lot of fun filming this look. A lot of work went into it on John's side as well because he needed to go back to Target 3 different times to find something like this and to find my lashes. So I think he did a very good job. So definitely thank him in the comments down below. Let me know what you would like to see next when it comes to makeup. I really like the makeup look. I will wear this for Christmas and Christmas Eve. So when you see me then, you'll recognize the lashes and everything. Thank you so much for sticking with me through this vlog. I really enjoyed filming for you guys. My beauty favorites are coming out very, very soon, so stay tuned for that and stay tuned for the more vlogs. I really hope you are enjoying Vlogmas, and I know I am enjoying filming and entertaining you guys if I am. So let me know what you would like to see more of, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.